Hey everybody, it's been a minute. I really want to jump on here. This is really for hairstylists, makeup artists, estheticians, nails, self-employed, entrepreneur, for barbers too. You guys, Instagram has started Instagram TV. Like, there's no way, no YouTube, no nothing, straight Instagram. Straight Instagram. Your followers, you don't have to, like, I'm begging people right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel, to get my YouTube up. You guys gotta, like, get you your ring light. I just posted about this. Get your ring light, get your tripod, get your iPhone, because, you know, Androids be real suspect. The shade. No, for real. iPhones, like, you guys, I've been filming with my iPhone, all my hair stuff, unless it has a backdrop. I think it's like one video that I actually did with my camera, with my Canon. I remember when Instagram first popped off, I was against it. Like, I'm not doing this. It's like these hairstyles. Like, I had so much slick stuff to say about these hairstylists. Like, they doing dated stuff. I've been doing this. Woo, woo, woo. And I almost got left behind. You guys can't get left behind. But yeah, I almost got left behind because I was in my feelings, because I didn't want to change, and it just left me. Like, if I would have got with Instagram when it first jumped out, I'd be in a better place with Instagram. But it is what it is. I can't sit and soap on it. But you guys, if you guys, like, I know it seems hard. I know it's different. I bump into hairstylists all the time that's not behind the chair no more. Yo, hustle. You gotta hustle. This ain't like, it ain't like it used to be, you know, like, oh, Bridget do hair. Who did your hair? Oh, Bridget did my hair, and blah, 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 and Bridget this. It ain't like that. It's all about social media now. And if you guys are not getting with the program, y'all about to get left behind. Me and my friend girl was on the phone earlier. She was like, I ain't got time for YouTube. I make so much money off of YouTube. Like, my followers and subscribers, I ain't even talking about getting paid by YouTube. I'm talking about new clients when people move to the city. Like, you guys gotta, like, get with the program. Whether, like, and if you make a video for Instagram, drop it on YouTube. I'm telling you guys, like, you cannot get left behind. Like, this is they not even charging for this. Not yet. You know, they be real slick. But right now, you gotta get in where you fit in. Like, I got like 5 or 6 videos I gotta go dig up. I'm finna convert them to Instagram filming, and I'm dropping those videos. Like, if you stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. I promise you, I teach my boys this. If you guys stay ready, you ain't gotta get ready. If people are coming off of Instagram out, like, 80% of my new clients come from my website. People say I don't need no website. They lying. YouTube and Instagram. And my hair page, I barely post on my hair page and still be getting people off of the hashtags. Take these classes and just do what needs to be done to be sufficient. Because if you don't, y'all gonna be going to get jobs. I promise you guys, like, you gotta get with the program. This shit is easy. This shit is, y'all gotta quit saying what you can. I ain't went to college for none of this. I've been doing hair since I was 18 years old. I, like, graduated from Lincoln High School, South Dallas, Texas. Went straight from there, doing finger waves and hard curls. And here I am now. Gold teeth in my mouth, everything. All this stuff has been self-taught because I wanted to learn how to do it. And guess what? If you know how to do it, you ain't got to pay nobody to teach you nothing. You ain't got to pay nobody. I don't pay nobody for nothing. I don't pay them for no websites. Y'all got to quit being with the shit. You know, hairstylists be having Louboutins, Celine bags, Louis, Gucci, Burberry, Fendi, all this stuff. But then when you go look at their page, they ain't got no websites. Business is jacked up. Like, right now, y'all got to get with the program. If you don't get with the program, then it ain't going to work. Then you're going to be sitting somewhere talking about I ain't busy. I don't know why I don't got no customers. I don't know. Because your customers on Instagram looking at somebody else's page that has a website, that has online booking, and then they got a nice presence on Instagram, or they on YouTube. I was at the salon. I got a new video up on my YouTube. I'm gonna put it on here. It's an older lady. She mature. She wear a pixie cut. Her hair is hot. I was like, you know what? I said, Miss Thomas, can I make a video? She was like, yeah, I was ready. I seen it, and just within seconds, I was like, Miss Thomas, can I make a video with you real fast? You don't mind? You want to be on YouTube? Everybody want to be on YouTube. Y'all just don't know. I keep a tripod. I keep a, what's this thingy? This thing right here. that holds the phone part. I don't know if y'all can see this part, but I keep this. I keep a lot bigger tripod, a taller one. I keep that at the salon, and I keep the phone holder at the salon. And I tell you, whenever I see something, and if I feel like a person gonna let me do it, let me tell you, I instantly jump on it. Can I make a video? Or if I see something going in a different direction, and I be like, oh, I like this. It's gonna be dope. I stop what I'm doing. And y'all probably can tell if you go through my YouTube videos, it's some stuff that's, especially anything vertical and like in the middle of, that's when I stop and be like, oh, I'm gonna make me a video. I promise y'all it's easy. Y'all gotta get Instagram. It's 1 billion, 5 billion, some people on Instagram. You hairstylists, follow people. What's his name? Tarragano. It's something like that. He go on my followers and type in TOR, something like that's how I find his name. I don't know how to pronounce his name. Anyway, you hairstylists, follow him, subscribe to his page. He was the one that was like, oh yeah, we got Instagram TV. Like, follow him, Lakeisha Michelle. If you stylists, if y'all rusty and dusty, and you be like, I'm trying to work on my short hair and you need to believe motivation, follow Lakeisha Michelle. She does things too, like when I was transitioning, like, you know, do some short hair, get back into it. I signed up for her stuff and took her notes and watched a ton of videos. But now I'm a Tarragano group because, you know, he got some different things going. It's not just short hair. And then I just need to stay inspired because I'm in the salon by myself right now. And then normally when I'm in the salon, like, I'm the person that's like motivated. So I got to stay motivated. So you guys got to get with the program. Quit sitting around waiting because the hair industry has changed. Everything is shifting to social media. You guys got to get with the program. Quit being with the shits. Quit being lazy, because the problem is a lot of y'all is lazy as hell. Quit being lazy. All y'all lazy. Quit being lazy and get with the program. Order you some ring lights. Salon owners, put you some ring lights in front of your stylist stations. They $100. They was $120. They like $89.99 now on Amazon. Order a stand. Get your stand. I'm telling y'all, like, order this shit and get with the program. Because guess what? If you can't take the pictures that you need to take, and then if you can't do the posting or whatever, but if your video's banging and that catch people attention, then that's what you need to do. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gotta quit being with the shits. And then these tripods, these lights, order this shit, get this shit together, and get your motherfucking money. Yeah, and I ain't charging y'all this free game. It's free game. And I ain't charging y'all for this. Because guess what? Somebody done blessed me. I'm paying for a class now because I need 10,000 followers so my people can swipe up when I post my videos. Y'all quit being with the shits. And do what you need to do. Pay who you need to pay. Now, when I say pay who you need to pay, don't be fanning and just wasting your money paying somebody because you being a fan. Invest your money into people that's going to pour it back into you. Oh, Patrick Bradley. Like, Patrick got classes, hands-on classes everywhere. Just follow his page. Like, you guys, it's so much stuff out here. You just got to use your resource, and you got to be ready. Guess what? I'm ready. I ain't got to worry and run and go shoot no videos because I got some videos already lined up. I'm ready. Under 10 minutes. Thank God. Under 10 minutes. Then I got a video that needs to be edited. And then Saturday, medley girl, I liked her. Girl, you cute. She got some sellable hair. Hey, won't you come back up here so I can do your hair? Woo, woo, woo. She's like, I don't got no ride. My mama tell you my mama do your hair for free. She gonna be in the salon Saturday. She gonna be my last client. And we making a video. Do some free stuff. Y'all think that her video stuff, some stuff I be getting paid for. Told y'all I be in the moment. But sometimes, like, when I dyed Ivana's hair purple and green and all that stuff, I ain't charge her for that. I just did it because I needed some content. Y'all start giving services away and quit acting like, oh, she got to pay me. Man, if you don't start getting this content, when I do my free stuff, most of the time I do free stuff on Wednesday early in the week, or Monday or Tuesday or Sunday, just depending on what I got going on. But the little girl, she can't come to the shop till Saturday. So guess what? I'm going to do her Saturday. She's going to be my last client. She got some thick, beautiful short hair. Oh, we're going to have some fun. See, I was like, let me get on here because I was just motivated and inspired. I ain't got no makeup on or nothing. But I want you guys to get y'all stuff together. I'm really focused. And I want y'all to be focused. Everybody, when you get off this live, go get your piece of paper, get your pen, write down your business goals, your YouTube goals, and your content goals.